like a happy dream. Coco hears the siren ring, a happy song the heroes sing. He wears a coat of white and red. Time to help is what he said. The ambulance has massive eyes, looking up into the skies. A friendly face upon the cab. He's the best in the medical lab. Wee woo, hear the sound. The ambulance is coming round. Coco leads the hero team, driving like a happy dream. Coco checks the bag inside for a safe and steady ride. Bandages and kits to see, helping out both you and me. Open up the big back door, stretcher sitting on the floor. Coco makes it nice and bright in the middle of the light. A little friend has a tiny bump. Ambulance goes over the hump with a gentle ride and a caring heart. The rescue work is about to start. Driving to the hospital hall, answering a hero's call. Coco waves to friends they pass through the shiny window glass. Wee woo, hear the sound. The ambulance is coming round. Coco leads the hero team, driving like a happy dream. Mission done, we're safe and sound. The bestest team to be found. Coco and his ambulance friend, brave adventures never